Hello, I'm with JNM Reviews, and today I would like to review this free sample by SkinMedica. So this is how it looks. It's a 32 SPF, and it's paraben free, oil free, fragrance free. I like it because it's suitable for sensitive skins. So this is what you want to do. You want to apply on your skin 15 minutes before sun exposure. This is how it looks on my skin. It looks very natural. You can reapply every 2 hours. This is not water resistant, so if you're sweating, if you're going to the pool, you may want to reapply again. So I like it because it feels very light. Like I'm able right now to put some makeup on top and just a little bit, see it almost covers my whole face. So look at my hand, where I originally have it, and look at my skin. I like it, they're great. This is suitable for sensitive skin. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you check them out.